to the power divided by, what is my T1? 298 is equal to, now, V2, what my V2? My V2 is what? Is unknown. Then what is my P2? My P2 is 101.3 times 10 to the power 2 divided by, what is my D2? 273. Now let's see what to do. Now let's see what to do here. This 10 to the power 3 is common. And then they can cancel each other. Can they? Can they?
Yes.
Or if you don't want, oh yeah, evaluate what is here for me. 2.12 times 205.2 times exponential 3. What's the answer? One word? One word? Yes, who's doing it? Are we there? Okay, don't worry about this I said. Don't do this one first. Hey, do this one for me. 2.12 times 205.2. Tell me the answer. This is there. Hello? This is there. Multiply this and this for me. What's the answer? 2.12 times 205.2. 435.024 times 10 to the power 3, Abi. Now, divided by 298 is equal to 101 times 10 to the power 3 what? V2, Abi. Are we there? Then over what? Over 273. Let's go. We want to cross multiply now. We want to cross multiply. So as we cross multiply,
come on, video. Come on, video.
This one multiply 298 times 101 times 7 to the power 3. V2 is equal to what? 273. This one is multiplied everything here. Times 435.04 times 7 3. Are we there? So this one has multiplied this has multiplied this. What do we want to do now? I want to make this one very formula. We divide both by the figure. Multiply this and this. Forget about the this. 298 times 101. What's the answer? 301.87.4. Then times 10 over 3. V2 is equal to, okay, we want to divide both sides now by what is here. Everything here now, Abi. So we are writing what is here. When you multiply this one for me now, 273 times this one, forget about this 10. 118 761 55. Now times 10 to the power what? Divided by what? Divided by everything that is here. What? What am I doing here? That is 30187.4. So this one will have regards to this. Are we there now? So what is the final answer now? This one over this. Now give us what? 3 point what? 3 what? G. So that is it. Let's go to number 2 now. I hope you are listening. Chairman, are you listening? Listen to this thing, oh. Exam is closed, oh. To what temperature must a gas be raised? What is it? Look at that grammar. Hey. To what temperature must a gas be raised? I didn't ask you of T1 or T2. T2. To what temperature? So it has an initial for you to now raise the second one, Abi. So now you have T1 is what you are looking for. What will not be your T2? So what temperature must a gas be raised from? This is where the temperature is coming from. The starting point. That will be your T1. Okay. Now, so what temperature is T2, Abi? And we still for it. Now, T1 is what? 273 Kelvin. I hope everyone understand that.
Yes.
In order to double his volume, that is, clean. Thank God, I've mentioned your name there. Your mommy will see. See yourself now. Now, they say in order to double his volume, they did not give us any volume before. Are we there? Because they did not give us, you say P1, put 1 here. Put 1 there. They did not give us anyone.
So what if they did not give us that in the exam?
They did not give us, put 1. Then V2 will not be what? 2. So double. The volume is now double. You can put any number, but any number you put here, the times 2 of it will be here. Are we there now? If you put 8 here, 16 will be here. If you put 5 here, 10 will be here. Because the question is saying that what? The volume is what? Double. Am I talking to you now? But I like to put 1 and 2. That's the simplest number. Now, that's all right. So, what law is this one? Is it Boyle's law or Charles' law?
Charles' law.
There's no pressure. Then they say, okay, and his volume. Okay, in order to double his volume, is general. P1 is also 1. P2 is also 1. 2. In order to double his what? Volume and pressure. Are we together? So we have P1 over T1 equal to P2 over what? So I put my P1 1. So I put my P1 1 over what is my T1 273. What's my B2? 2. What's my B2? 2.
T2 square.
Thank you. 1 times 1. 1 over 273. 2 times 2. 4 over T2 plus multiply. T2 will multiply 1 and 2 times T2. Then we have 273 times 4. What's my T2 now? Press. 1092.
Mr. Down to ask a question. If you use any other number, will you get it?
We will get it, guys. Mathematics now. They will cut each other, they will reduce to the lowest end. We will get it. Now, so that's it. Now, let's look at this one. Who's talking there? Are you supposed to be asking yourself questions or you asking questions? Now, till the temperature T, this question there is no letter, there is no number. It's purely letter. They say, if the temperature T, so my T1 is T. Forget about the SI unit. My T1 is what? T. So convert it to Kelvin, what do I do? T plus what? 273. That's all. It it decrease temperature, I have to convert it to what? Kelvin. Now, of an ideal gas is increased to, see, I can leave my temperature without putting 273 because I am adding 273 here, I'm still adding it here. They can cut each other and reduce themselves to the lowest now. Am I talking to you now? So what's my T2 now? T2 is what? 3 over 2 T plus 273 Kelvin. Now, what's the next thing to do? They say of an ideal gas is increased to this at constant volume. The volume is constant. It means we are not going to use volume inside it. Is pressure P. That's a P1 now. Is P. We change to what? We are looking for what? P2 is unknown. Are we there? I take general gas. General gas is P1 over 1 T1 equal to P2 over 1 T2. But they say volume is what? Constant. So I will cancel this one and this one. I will now have P1 over T1 is equal to P2 over T2. What am I looking for? I am looking for what? P2, Abi. Let me make it the solution of the formula. Cross multiply. P2 T1 is equal to P1 T2. I'm looking for P2. See not P2 I'm looking for? So I did that answer by this one. P2 will now become to P1 T2 over 1 T1 that is starting with my P2. So P2 will now be, what is my P1? My P1 is what? P. What is my T2? What is it? P over 2. What is that right there now? Okay. So I can write this one now as well. 3 over 2. 3T over 2, Abi. Now, plus 273. Now, divided by, what's my T1? T plus 273. This one will cancel this one. They are the same thing. So take this one away. So what do you have? You have P2 now. You be equal to, bring them together. You have 3PT over 2. 3PT, Abi, over 2. Divided by what? T, Abi, over 1, Abi. Mathematicians, what do we do here?
Cross multiply.
Read division sign now. 3PT over 2 times 1 over T. So that this thing can cancel. Are we together? So we now have 3 over 2P, Abi. Which option is that one?
A.
A is always the answer now. Can you see that complex calculation? Objective. WAEC. There's a state which gases H2 and NH3 would deviate more from ideal behavior. My answer will be NH3. Why? Ideal behavior. What are the ideal behaviors? Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. Clinton. Ideal behaviors. They are the behaviors of gases that obey the kinetic theory of gases. Now, there are two ideal behaviors that are deviated from. The two ideal behaviors are number 1. We said that the cohesive forces binding molecules of gases together is negligible. Abi? So under normal conditions, ideal gases are not supposed to be compressible. They are not supposed to be what? Compressible. They are not supposed to, when you load a cylinder with gas and that cylinder is full and you still continue to load it, you will discover that that gas will now form what? Liquid, because buoyancy force will now do what? Join them together. That is, any gas that does that are deviated. So among ammonia and hydrogen, ammonia can do that because ammonia can form hydrogen bond with neighboring ammonia gas. You can have this ammonia can form hydrogen bond with the nitrogen inside another ammonia and form liquid, aqueous ammonia. Hydrogen cannot do that. Why can hydrogen not do that? Hydrogen bond is formed between hydrogen of a covalent molecule and a small electronegative of another covalent molecule. So if there are two hydrogen gases, hydrogen bond will be formed between one hydrogen atom. It cannot connect to another hydrogen. It's looking for another electronegative. So now that is why. So my answer will be Na3. They say I should give a reason. Give a reason. Now, hydrogen bond can connect several molecules of NH3, unlike hydrogen gas. Which lacks what? Electronegative atom. Hydrogen gas lacks electronegative atom, and hydrogen bond is a dipole intermolecular attraction between the hydrogen atom of a covalent molecule and a small electronegative atom of another covalent molecule. Which of the following sketches is a graphical representation of Boyle's law? This is pressure. This is volume. It's supposed to go like this, not like this. Because Boyle's law says that the volume of a system of gas is inversely proportional. If it is inversely proportional, it means as pressure is increasing, volume is supposed to be going down. But according to what we have here, if you number this place 1, 2, 3. Here, 1, 2, 3. You will see that when you are at 1, change it to the curve. Here, you will also be at 1. If you increase from 1 to 2, take it to touch the curve. Here, we also increase from what? 1 to 2. If you increase from 2 to 3, let it touch the curve. This one will also increase from 2 to 3. This one now is saying that Boyle's law says that the volume of a system of gas is directly proportional to pressure, which is not correct. Are we together? When you blow a balloon with air, the balloon is experiencing atmospheric pressure. That pressure is not able to press the balloon inside, but it's rubbing on the body of the balloon. Am I talking to you? But by the time you press the body of the balloon, you are increasing the pressure from one atmospheric pressure to another higher pressure, because pressure is the force acting on the body per unit area. So as you are pressing it, you are increasing the pressure. The size of the balloon, which is the volume, is what? Reducing. So as pressure increases, volume reduces. Am I talking? If you release your hand, you have reduced the pressure, and the balloon will get what? Bigger again. So this one is not correct. This one, there is nothing like this right. It did not even start from what it's not correct. This one now, it's not, this is the answer. Now, this is inverse of volume. Boyle's law said that the volume of a system of gas is directly proportional to the inverse. The pressure of a given mass of gas is directly proportional to the inverse of volume. The only condition that will make the ground to go like this is that the volume is 1 over V. Or this one is V, then this one is 1 over P. So this is the answer. There's nothing like this. Now look at this one now. They said if the gas occupies the volume, V1 is what? 400. At the temperature, T1 is what? Also 400. These questions are challenging questions. And the pressure, T1 is what? 1 atm. Are we together? At what temperature? This question is a wicked question though. Last year question, 2025. Very wicked. It's not even calculation, it's common sense. Look at it. At what temperature and pressure? They are asking for 2 unknowns. 2 unknowns. It's like Olympiad mathematics. 2 unknowns. How can there be 2 unknowns inside an equation? Look at it. They say, at what temperature and pressure? Calm down now. Would each volume be 200? V2 now is 200 centimeter cube. Hello? We don't know T2. We also don't know what? V2. 2 unknown. I've not seen a question like this in my life. Now, general classification now. Say V1, P1 over T1 equal to V2, P2 over T2. Very wicked. Why does someone want us to succeed in life? Now, let's go. What are we looking for? 2 things. Let's put it our value. V1 is what? 400. Times P1 is what? 1. Then over T1. What is T1? 400. It will cancel each other. Abi? Then what is my V2? 200. Then what is my P2? You unknown, Abi? Over what my T2? Unknown, Abi? This one cancel this one, Abi? I have what? What do I have? 1. It equals to what? 200 T2 over what? T2. Let me cross multiply. This is over 1, Abi. Am I talking? Or now, can we? This is just as what? Over T2. Is that also?
Yes.
What do I do to make this one from my divided by 200, Abi? I can have 1 over 200 is equal to what? P2 over what? T2. Am I talking? Olympiad. P2, now get this one. T2, now get this one.
Then we continue to lie.
You don't need to multiplication again. If you multiply, you are causing more problems. V2 is 1. What is up is what is up. What is down is what is down. V2 is 1. Then T2 is what? 200. Check now. Which answer? Can you see very wicked human beings? P2, 1. T2, 200. Can you see wahala? Problem. The last question. A given mass of gas occupied volume V1 now. V1 is 500 centimeter cube. This is T1. That's 30. Will I leave it at 30? Because of this degree C, I will add what? Clean team, be looking at the body. Face front, face this side. Face this side. That's plus what? 273 Kelvin. What's the answer? Now be 293 Kelvin. Are we together? Is it 303? Now, the next one is what? P1. P1 is 6.5 times 10 to the power 4. You can see that the one we saw, they didn't have the exponential like this in the class. Now, what do we now have here now? Calculate the volume. V2 is unknown. At STP. Now, STP, T2 now is standard temperature. And standard temperature has been given. Was it given? 273 Kelvin. Then standard pressure of the giving. They give us. This is what I get to you, which is 1.01 times 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. Now, our formula now is what? Is it Boyle's law or Charles law or general gas?
General gas.
So we have V1 P1 over T1 equal to V2 P2 over T2. So my V1 now is what? What's my V1? 500. What is my P1 now? 6.5 10 to the power 4 over what's my T1? Now is equal to what's my V2 now? I'm looking for it. What is my V2 now? This one now. This is to 1.01 times 10 to the power 5 over what's my T2 that year? 273. Now let's simplify this matter. Multiply this one. Forget about the 10 4. Okay. Can you do it with the 10 4? Oh yeah. 8872 5 1 2 3 4 5. Abi? Everything up, Abi? Divided by 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Divided by what? 303, Abi? Huh? Then equal to what?
So if I 300 is 303.
Okay. Then it's equal to what? Now let me put it here. It's equal to what? It's equal to what the second one now? 1.01 times 10 to the power 5 V2 over what? Over 273. So if we play this one in the front of this, we cross multiply. Is that what? Which one? Okay, you want us to do it like that? To make our work simple. We are divided by 303, let's see. 290.